Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today one of the biggest property for sale in Tamil Nadu state. Land extension 28,800 acres. Land extension. Total land cost 10,000 cr. 10,000 cr. Exactly 10,000 cr. This land 28,800 acres land dairy farm for sale in Tamil Nadu state. This 28,800 acres building construction 5 lakhs square feet building construction and air conditioner and cow sheds and cows approximately 1 lakh, buffaloes 20,000, goats 30,000, pigs 10,000, chicken farm approximately 10 lakhs. Everyday dairy milk collection approximately 12 lakhs liters per day. Milk collection 12 lakhs liter. And unit ice cream unit 1 unit. Dairy production manufacturing unit number of available. Milk power unit 1, cattle feed unit 1, water filtering unit 1, buffalo 3 countries units 3. Different of units are available in the property. This property 28,800 acres. This property dairy farm for sale in Tamil Nadu. Anyone interested, please contact to this video, share to WhatsApp, contact to WhatsApp chatting only. Genuine bids only, please contact me. Agent or inquiries, please exit. This land location labor approximately 1400 employees. This company is working 1400 employees. Transportation vehicles is number of available. Once you have anyone interested, please contact to WhatsApp. I will providing site visit. This project is very big project. Please contact to only genuine bids only, please. The 1400 employees inside. Hospital is available. Dairy everyday income 12 cr. This returns every day 12 cr is return. Every expenditure is 8 cr. Income 12 cr. Approximately 4 cr everyday income. This project. Anyone interested, please contact to my contact number in a video description. My contact number is available. Video description or video in my contact number is available. Only genuine bids only contact me. This location Tamil Nadu state. Total extension 28,800 acres. Cost 10,000 cr. Genuine bids only contact me. Anyone interested, please contact to WhatsApp. Any questions, any inquiries, please share to WhatsApp to any inquiry, please contact me. Almost please genuine bids only contact me. Agents are exit. Number of agents is inside available. Please contact to WhatsApp only.